Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we get to work on the Tesla. Hopefully this is going to be the last video. We're going to get this thing all buttoned up. The paint has dried. It's looking good, so we got to pretty much flip everything over from the old bumpers to the new bumpers. We got to put them all together and hopefully slap it on the car. Then we got the whole door panel we got to put together, all those little things. We got a lot of work ahead of ourselves, and hopefully we get to test drive this thing on the road. Because right now it's saying fault. You can only go 6 miles an hour, so hopefully once we plug everything in, maybe we can read some codes and hit the road. Because it got it charged. I got it almost 100% charged with the charger I got, so that shouldn't be a problem. It's been charging, the battery's good, but we want to go for a test drive. And then we still got to do alignment, so hopefully the alignment's going to pass. So we got a lot of work ahead of ourselves. Let's get straight to it.
All right, alignment time on the Tesla.
So we did a lot of subframe stuff, so hopefully the back's gonna be good. Get it adjusted, get the toe in there. Hopefully camber's good because we got this thing lowered. And make sure we have no camber issues. And then after this, we can probably wash it and go for a first official test drive. We got like 100 miles on the range, so that's pretty nice. So we can keep, we'll go somewhere far and maybe try to supercharge it.
Yeah, the recharge the battery, not put a supercharger on it. Supercharge.
Yeah, but supercharge the battery fast if it's eligible. Because we still got to transfer all the title in our name and all that stuff. But whatever, we'll go for a drive. You know?
Yeah, let's see if it works. The rear's looking good. Look at all that green. So that's awesome. Now time for the front. Caster's off a little bit, but hopefully it'll do the toe and it'll adjust a little bit. So we'll see. But yeah, looking good. So basically the camber is cambered in a little bit because of the lowering spring, so that's why that's gonna be red, but it's not a big deal. Apparently this thing was wrecked before, so that's probably why our caster's off. The front rebar was wrecked, it's kind of damaged, but we'll just have to see how it drives. If not, gotta replace some control arms and stuff like that, but we'll see. We'll get the wheels pointing straight. Like I said, go for a drive. All that pollen in the air definitely gets this thing dusty. Go ahead and give it a bath, get it washed up.
All right, guys, so we went for a test drive. This thing is doing really good. The only thing we have to do is charge this thing up. So we're gonna get this thing charged up and we're gonna give it away. So we're gonna give it away to my wife. I mean, she needs another car. I mean, she drives a minivan. She needs something sporty in her life, you know. Who knows, maybe she'll like it. We'll keep it all the way, but pretty much I did this for my wife. So let's go ahead and surprise her. We got a little thing. We got her going to the house, Michael's house, and with his wife, and then I'm gonna pull up. So let's go ahead and surprise her.
Okay, so this is our bedroom. Wow.
Vaulted ceilings.
So I love it. They have not sanded it yet, right, honey?
No, they haven't sanded. They just mudded it. Well, I think
It looks
sanded.
it
Looks sanded. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I don't know. It's beautiful. I love the vaulted ceiling. Maybe they have. Maybe they have. They did a good job. Wow, this is so grand. Ooh.
Mike,
Mike's
me guess.
bathtub.
is this your bathtub?
Yes, I want a big bathtub. A little dirty right now, but we'll clean it.
Yeah, lots of work here. Okay, so this sink we just ordered is not the sink,
Faucet,
sorry, the faucet thing. I think it's a suit. That's really weird. I thought it was lower. Okay, we'll figure that out later. It's okay.
Right? Okay. What is this a shower?
Yes,
Yep.
shower with doors, yes. And then
The
toilet,
royal throne.
bathroom, closet.
Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna have like a dresser
Uh-huh.
here with drawers. And I wanted to look out the window, apparently to my neighbor's yard. I did not want to do that.
Okay, so this is your laundry room, right?
Yep.
Is the door that you
Yes,
guys?
yes.
Nice.
Yay.
Oh, I love the window in the laundry room. So nice.
So we added that door kind of like last minute. We didn't like it, so. Yep. So I have some plans. We already bought the tiles. Excited. Bedroom.
I love how big the mudroom is. I love it.
Nice big mudroom. There's the attic. Has some storage up there. Check out the living room.
I love this. It's almost like a secret room. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I missed it when I first walked in here.
So yeah, this is. I can't wait till it is. Probably gonna finish that. You didn't finish the.
Right.
Oh my
So
goodness.
this is your
Coffee bar.
coffee bar. Oh, I love the arch. That is so beautiful.
Like we're gonna be like cutting this. You know that, right?
Yeah,
Through all of this.
it's fine.
Yeah. So this is how it turned out.
Wow, that is so
We were trying to think whether to make it all the way, like this vault to go all the way, and this, like, and I just didn't like it in the.
Got the scaffolding right here. It's kind of hard to see.
We needed, originally it was only this one vault, and we just did not have enough light coming in because we added those bedrooms, and these were windows. But we added bedrooms, and then we had like 2 windows. We're gonna have a barn light. Oh, there it is, but that's why it's sticking out. And we're gonna have some light along it. I don't know. It feels like we're going a little extra, but I don't know. We'll see.
And what about right here?
Over here is like, what about it?
Like, is it gonna be like sheet? Or I mean, it's gonna be like the.
Oh,
Some brick in the
Oh,
front.
brick. That's gonna be siding, brick, party, siding. No, party, brick.
Look at that.
These big sides are gonna be. So we didn't make it. Oh what?
Why is Ivan here?
That's your husband.
Hey, babe.
Look, babe, I got you a car.
For me?
Yeah.
No.
No more minivan for you.
No.
Let's go check it out.
I got your Tesla.
That's your shop car.
No. I got the same color as my truck, just for you.
Matching
Surprise!
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's here. There it is.
What?
No new house, but we got a car.
Well, that went downhill.
Yay!
No. Are you serious?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's a Tesla. We got keys and everything.
That is
What
so
am I
cute.
supposed to do with
What?
this?
Check it out. Look, it's cool. Whoa. Black?
This is my car?
Yeah.
Like for me?
Yeah.
Like I drive it?
Yeah.
Ah, you want to turn it off whenever you want to, huh? Were you on this as well?
I didn't know about this.
Drive it. Let's see if you can drive it.
Throw the kids in the back, you'd be just fine.
Oh wow. What do I do with this?
You just hold it.
I don't know.
Put it in your pocket.
What do you?
I don't know. You'll figure it out.
We just blocked Lily in a car. It's so cute. It totally matches her.
Let's see.
I'm like, right here, babe.
I don't know what's happening right
For
now.
start, it's like electric car, you know.
I think she's in complete shock, Ivan.
Complete shock. Sports car. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Test drive it.
Ivan, I don't know. Like where's the buttons? Where's the key?
It's so quiet. Well, that makes sense.
And they're off. See you later, Ivan, Lily. Have fun. Enjoy.
Okay, don't hit the truck.
They got space, babe. They'll be fine.
Oh wow.
Well, that's a wrap for the Tesla house update. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We've got more surprises to come.